Hello everybody. Today we will start our 10th chapter working with tables. Now table word is not a new for you. You are familiar with table. Table is a way where we can arrange our data in an organized manner. As discussed in previous chapter, we all have take many decisions daily and for the need of the other kind of information. To get correct information at the right time, we have prepared database and perform various operations like inserting data, editing previously entered data, delete unnecessary and wrong data, or arrange the data as per requirement. In previous chapter, we have already discussed how to create a database and various tables in base. Now let's learn how to do various operations on the tables created by us. Inserting data in the table. To insert the records into table, we must open the table first. To open the table, double click on the icon that has a required table name in the tables. So this is a initially screen. Now to create a, we must be create a table at first. To create a table, we will start a base software. Base. OpenOffice base. See, create a new database. Now we are creating database where there are multiple table. Yes, register the database for me. Now we will finish it. We give the database name is inventory. Inventory means where customer, supplier, all tables will create. Save. See, this is the screen of our inventory ODB. ODB मतलब Open Office database. Now we'll create a table in design view, create a table with wizard. If you remember in last session, I already covered this content, but due to some issue, we are unable to see practical session. Now I will show you how to create a table with wizard. With wizard through business table or personal table. Suppose we are getting business table, assets, sample table. Suppose we want to create a personal table, suppose. Accounts, which table you want to create? Account table. Okay. Next. Why these keys are here? Suppose you want to take only 2-3 field. Then if you click single click, account type, this way. But if you click all this click here, all field will come there. Same way reverse manner. See, these fields are these keys are very important. Next, account ID, field information, field type integer by default. All they set for the see account name. What is the field type? Text varchar. Account number, text varchar. Account type, text varchar. Account type ID, integer. You remember text, integer are the data type. Description, length 250. Notes. So these all are already taken by default by in the wizard view. Next, automatically add a primary key. If you want to add a primary key, it will be automatically added. Next, insert data immediately. You want to insert data? Yes. Finish it. As you click on finish table, your table will automatically open. ID, insert ID 1, account ID AC1, account name, account number 0023, account type saving, account type ID 1234, description, personal account, notes, This is my, whatever notes you want to write, because the notes and description are for 250 fields. See, this way we are creating a table with the help of wizard. There is also another way. See, account table is created here. Whenever you will open, you are able to see the records of that table. Now we will create a table with design view. Now we will create all the fields. If you remember, in previous chapter, we must create these 4 tables: supplier, employee, products and customer. In supplier table, field name is supplier. We will write here supplier. See, field name, these all are the field of the base. You must be read one by one. If you want to give description, it's okay. After supplier, supplier name, address line 1, address line 2. So we will write here supplier name, address line 1, address line 2, address, in address room number 25, this road, JP road. This way, so text and number both are come, so we can use text data type only. Contact number, you can give its integer or numeric, whatever you want to give it. Now we will save this table. By default it's taken, but the name of our table is supplier, so we will write here supplier. No primary key. Do you want to create it? Yes. It will take automatically primary key. Close. Are you able to see? We are creating table with the help of wizard. You just double click. Now you are understand. See, when we start this chapter, figure 10.1, initial data entry screen. Now you are able to see this initial data entry screen. In this chapter, we are giving one supplier name, maybe JK paper, JK paper, address line Kakrapar. We cannot want to write anything. Mobile number. This way we are able to insert record in our table. We will save this. Now in this chapter, they are just introduce all the field content of this window. See the black point arrow, this is known as record pointer. See, this is a, when we click here, this is a record pointer. See, next record, previous record, last record, first record. As our record player screen or our computer screen, we have this button. Like when we are playing songs or any. The green icon with flash is the end of the table mark. Underline this line. Also underline this line. The pencil icon is edit icon. Suppose after entering this record, I want to edit this record. Suppose this is my record. And I want to edit this record. See, edit data. You are able to edit it. Click here, you are able to edit. So in our textbook, all this heading of the window explain here. Observe the bar at the lower left portion of the figure 10.2. There is a record, then numeric value 4. How much record you will enter in your screen, in your table, you are able to see. All these first, last, previous, these buttons bar is called navigation bar. This bar is known as navigation bar. Underline this line. It contains some navigation buttons to scroll the records vertically. It also lets know the current position of the record pointer. The meaning of record 4 of 4 is that we have total 4 records in our table, and at present our cursor is on the 4th record. You are aware with these buttons. So they are entered here 4 to 5 records. For our demo, I just enter 1 or 2 records. You will continue the record. You will create these tables, customer table, supplier table, all these 4 table, and enter the record accordingly. See, new record, last record, next record, previous record, first record, total records. See, this is the window which they are showing figure 10.2. I hope you will clear it properly. Editing records in the table. How can we edit it? Just double click on it. You are able to edit it. Delete records from the table. Press on that record and delete it. You are able to delete it. See, select the record like this way. Right click, delete row. Do you want to delete selected data? Yes. See, data will be deleted. So, I hope we will conclude this. You are clear all this point. We will continue our session in next practical. Sorting data in the table. We can sort our data accordingly. Alphanumeric, ascending, descending. So, sorting data. See, they are given the steps for sorting data. Controlling data redundancy. I am stop here now. Thank you very much. You must be read the content covered today. Thank you very much. You must be create 4 tables and enter the record.